B2 and B4 construction is underway. The basement's being excavated at the moment, the perimeter piling's in, and we're on target to actually have B2 finished for the end of 2013, B4 early 2014.
They're two great buildings. We're building them into a market where we think there's going to be considerable demand. These first two are going to be very important because they're going to set the standard.
B4, the one that we're doing, is one of a group of buildings that are now coming forward on the southern part of the site between the two stations. And the building has on one side of it the boulevard, so that's making that main route up from the square in front of the station. And then on the other side of the building is the second square, around which this group of office buildings are located and where their entrances are.
At the ground floor will be shopping, so it'll have active frontages. It's going to be a very extraordinary building. The columns all diminish as they get taller, and it'll look quite different when you go up the hill towards Granary Square as opposed to when you come down, because of the way the elevation has been designed.
It will be the first building that you will see as you come from the south. You approach the site, it will be right in front of you. It also has an underground link through the building which connects back to the London Underground, and therefore will also bring people actually through the building itself up onto the boulevard site. We wanted the facade and the materiality to carry the building in a strong way.
The facade has these cast iron columns, these beautifully conceived and detailed cast iron columns. Now that's an absolutely direct reference to the engineering might of the goods yard. That's coming through the new architecture as well as through the retention and refurbishment of historic buildings.
It doesn't need very much to sort of start the process, and then suddenly you can really feel the momentum, and I think that's the point where we're at now. And you can see it's not very long before the first buildings will actually emerge.